My name is Holden, man. This right here is my 2022 Ford F-250. So I bought this truck about a year ago, completely stock. It's always been a dream of mine to own a truck just like this, big lift, big wheels, and I was actually able to make that dream come true. So these right here are my Liberty Forge 30x16 LBTY C15s. They're concave. They are the largest amount of offset that Liberty makes. And they are mounted on some 42 1650 R30 Fury tires. And stacked behind these bad boys are 3-inch spacers to make this thing as wide as it can be. So arguably one of the best lift kits ever made. The any level lift kits go anywhere from 0 all the way up to 13 inches. So with this lift kit, you're able to go all the way down to factory or all the way up to 13-inch lift and run these huge, massive tires. Everything underneath this truck is completely powder coated except for the frame. It is powder coated in Island Boy from Columbia Powders. So as far as the lift kit goes, absolutely everything underneath this truck is powder coated in Island Boy from Columbia. That includes the axles and a lot of the driveline components, and it is overlaid in polished stainless. As you can see, my theme is teal and polished overlays. So I had to go all out with a full 5-inch polished exhaust. All right, so as you can see, since this thing is a full-size truck, I needed a nice heavy-duty hitch. I have the real ball flip sideways, and I have the one that I'm actually gonna use on top. All right, so this thing is lit up like an absolute spaceship at nighttime. It has got 30 of the 36 diode 𝐂𝐎𝐓 Rocklights, and it's got their 7-row Wheelights. So what I would consider a complete show truck build, you gotta have some paint match done. I've got all the badges, taillights, headlights, mirrors. I've still got a little bit more I'm gonna do, but for the most part, it's almost done. I think the most common asked question I get about this truck is how do I afford it at such a young age? The most easiest way to explain it is I sell products on social media. So if someone was to ask me what my most favorite thing about my truck is, it would have to be between two things: the 5-inch polished exhaust just because it adds that cherry on top, or it's gonna have to be the any level lift kit because these things are absolute a blast to drive. They steer good, they drive good, you just can't beat an any level. So if somebody was to ask me what my least favorite thing about the truck is, it would have to be the 𝐂𝐎𝐏𝐿𝐴 lights. I mean, just look at it, it looks like crap. So it's been a very long time coming to build this truck. It took 9 months to build, but I got it exactly how I want it, and this is still only the beginning.
We want to do more videos just like this one that you just saw. So if you or a buddy or you just know somebody that you think has a cool enough unique vehicle, whether it be a car, truck, or just something cool on 4 wheels that you'd like to see a spotlight feature done like this one, let us know, because we're looking for unique builds we'd love to do videos on. Obviously, the closer to Missouri, the better. The more unique, the better. So tag, comment down below, or share this to a buddy if you think they'd be interested in being on our page. It can be a Dodge, Chevy, Duramax, Gasser, whatever. We're not going to be biased towards anything. Like I said, as long as it's cool and on 4 wheels, we're interested. And if you guys want to see a video just like that, but about my 6.0 Power Stroke, make sure you check out Holden's YouTube channel, where he did a very similar video just like this, where he went around and got a few nice clips of the 6.0, asked me a few questions, and just overall the same thing but on the 6.0. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is George. Typically on this channel, we kind of do a little bit of everything here, from harmless pranks, interview style videos just like this one that we just made. This is one of our first ones that we've done. How to install videos, and basically just a build series on parts that we put on our 6.7 and my 6.0 Power Stroke. So make sure you guys check out the description down below where I have discount codes, my social medias, which you guys can follow, and my TikTok shop where I have my own merchandise if you guys want to support me that way. As usual, I appreciate every single one of you guys that watch all of my videos. Liking this video is free, so if you could do that, I'd appreciate it. We'll see you guys on the next one, and thank you once again for watching.